What's going on, everybody? It's JT, Seven Figures Marketing, back with another video, man. Another one of those shout outs to one of my students. He just came in a group and uploaded some results. As you can see, he ended up making a little over $1,000. I'm not sure if this is for the month, for the week, or for the day. I'm not really sure. Definitely gonna ask him, but just want to give a quick shout out to him. Ryan, I don't even know how to pronounce it. I ain't even about to disrespect his name like that. But congratulations to you, man. As you can see, man, I've been uploading my students' results recently for like the last the last three videos or whatnot. I got some more results from students and things like that, so I might upload those. But I just wanted to let y'all know the next series is going to be covering ClickBank this time. If you watch the Max Bounty case study series, this one's going to be covering ClickBank. I know y'all going to love this one, man. It's going to be some gems being revealed in this video or in that series, things like that. I also have another big surprise coming around the middle of August. I'll let y'all know around the beginning of August what that's going to be. But very, very exciting stuff. If you haven't become a member of the Elite course, you can do so by clicking the first link in the description or in the comment section down below. If you haven't seen the course overview, this is pretty much what it is. Go over everything I pretty much know about Facebook ads and CPA marketing. It's can go for ClickBank as well, affiliate marketing in general. It just shows you how to set up campaigns from A to Z, landing pages, and pretty much everything under the sun. Still adding in some training material that would be uploaded before this month is out. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video, man. I just want to give a quick shout out to my student, man. Keep crushing it. Keep testing, man. That's what it ultimately comes down to. Making money in this business and so on and so forth. But that's all I got for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.